Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Crab drawing. At first we draw a big circle. We draw V shape. Now, we draw the eye of the crab. Next, we draw crab claw. They have two crab claws. We draw three crab claws from two sides of the body part of the crab. Our drawing is completed. Now, it's time to coloring. Red color. We color it very carefully. Red color. Yellow color. Green color. Purple color. Pink color. Green color. Pink color. Yellow color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.